In this video, I am going to show you how to create and use the Proof Pop widget. In the sidebar, click on the Proof Pop link. Click on the Create New Proof Pop button. Add the title for the Proof Pop. Select the domain. This domain's drop-down shows all the domains under your company page. This time type field allows you to choose if randomly generated or actual date. Randomly generated means that pop-up will show random dates like 10 hours ago, 15 hours ago, while the actual date is the date the contact was added. This field will show if you select randomly generated date. This will be the maximum hours of the generated date. For example, you set 24 hours. This means the pop-up will show below 24 hours, like 23 hours ago, 10 hours ago, or 2 hours ago. You see, if I choose actual date, the field disappears. Let's choose the random date. This field will determine the delay when the first pop-up will show after the page is loaded. I set it to 0, so it displays instantly when the page is loaded. This field determines how many seconds each pop-up will show. This field is for the number of seconds before the next pop-up will appear. You can also choose the look of the pop-up. This is the text on the pop-up. Let me change it. Currently, Proof Pop only supports two types of sources for the contacts. First is imported contacts, and the second is via ActiveCampaign connection. Let's choose imported contacts first, and save the widget. After the widget has been saved, you will see the embed code at the bottom of the page, just like the display widgets on the campaigns. You will also embed this on any web page of the domain you set for this widget. Let's click on the Manage Contacts. In this page, you can manage the contacts on this widget. You can manually add contacts one at a time using this form. Or you can import multiple contacts using a CSV file upload. You can download the sample template using this button. Also, depending on your account level, you will have a number of allowed contacts per Proof Pop. Let's try the CSV import. Choose a CSV file and click the Import button. This step allows you to match the columns from your CSV file with the contact fields on Proof Pop. The script will try to pre-select your columns, and because I used a template, it is now assigned correctly. Let's click Continue to complete the import. I only have 2 contacts on my test CSV file, and they are now imported correctly. Now I am going to copy this embed code and place it on my web page. I am using WordPress on my website, and I will replace this embed code from my old widget with the new one. After the page is saved, I will now view the page. Here you see the pop-up displays right after the page is loaded, and it will disappear after 10 seconds. Then after 10 more seconds, another pop-up will appear. Here is the second contact of the widget. There are only 2 contacts on the widget, so it will stop showing. But if you check this box on the widget settings, it will reset the contacts when all are displayed. And here you see the second contact shows again with different time. Let's go back into the ProofPop settings and change its contact source to ActiveCampaign. You need to click the Save button first. Then you can click on the Manage Connection. In this page, you need to enter the API URL and API key and save it. Then additional fields will appear, and one of the fields is a list of your ActiveCampaign contacts list. It will be where ProofPop will retrieve contacts to display on the widget. And that's it for this ProofPop video tutorial, and thank you for watching.